Hi, this is Charles. Today I'm in Istanbul. Oh, okay, later. So just now the guard was very kind to allow me to go in and to go inside. But on my way out, he was asking for donation. So I have to spend 20 lira for that. Because I do not have a 10 lira, so I have to give 20 lira. My north is Taksim Square, and now I'm going to Galata. Can I have one, please? Thank you. Okay. It's only 175. Just came from the new part of the city, and now I'm going to the old part of the city, which is Sultan Ahmad area. You just look at the view when you cross this bridge. And people here are fishing. Yeah, they are all fishing. Across the bridge, there are lots of food stalls here. They sell the steamed corn and also some of the pretzels. I'm looking at some of the dry fruits because I'm gonna get some figs home. So I'm now at the Spice Bazaar. Yeah, so they sell a lot of Turkish delights and a lot of dry fruits. I'm approaching the Blue Mosque. This one is the Blue Mosque, and that one is the Hagia Sophia. I'm coming into the Blue Mosque. at the Blue Mosque, the washroom is free. Most people having lunch at the moment, but I'm having the dessert because I don't feel like eating at the moment, so I'm having some sweets. I have the chocolate ones and also I have a Turkish chai. This one is 2 lira and this one is 9 lira. So this is not the tourist price, this is the way people eat. So chocolate ones, cold, chocolate pudding and chai. The thing about why people are all here, they're actually eating the fish burger. The fish burger is around 15 lira, and with the sour juice here, like the pickles. Everyone is talking, so it's very noisy here. Okay, so you have the pickles, drinks. So I just ordered the fish burger here. Yeah, when I come to Istanbul, I always have this. So basically, I'm walking under the bridge. On the up there, people are fishing. Yeah, up there, people are fishing. So that's all for now from Istanbul. Bye.